I covered the rear end to identify whether it's male or female. Since they don't bite, can be handled a bit. Come on, curl up. I want to get a close up. They curl up from the head part to protect the head, leaving the rear end exposed. And one should never kill them. They are not. They are neither toxic nor harmful. Nothing. They are very useful creatures who digest the dead leaf and all, and make very nice compost for the garden. And since they don't bite, why kill it? There's no meaning to that. It has one kind of ivory colored stripe, and one black, and then some kind of brown. So I think that rear part is how the experts tell whether it's male or female. Rest of the body looks the same. And the place where I got it is on this, it was crossing this road. There is the stream bed. To the left is that abandoned paddy field. Right, there is a little rock community, and at the far end that sacred grove is there. Then on both sides there are grassy meadows like this. So that's a bit about the topography of the place.